Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Cash App Cash Card, which is a Visa debit. I actually am gonna take the tape off just because, so with the Cash Card for Cash App, it doesn't actually have my name on the front of it, so I just want to show you guys what the front kind of entails and like the cool things that I like about this card. I'm sorry guys. So yeah, so okay, so this is the Cash App Cash Card. You can actually tell who this belongs to by the emojis or anything. But yeah, so just getting right into it, how I heard of it. First, how I originally heard of Cash App was when I was in college. I was in a sorority, and for our sorority, we have to pay dues, contribute to snack, rush, and liquor fees and stuff like that. And so I know probably a lot of you guys know what Venmo is, but I personally prefer Cash App, but Venmo is just something similar to this. But if you know what Venmo is, Cash App is pretty much the same thing. I don't know if Venmo you can get a card, but with Cash App you can get a Visa debit. And the cool thing that I like about this is that when you sign up to get your Cash Card, you can like design it with whatever emojis you want to put at the bottom, which I thought was so cool. This card is 100% free as long as you have a Cash app, as well as you have to type in your address and everything, so it's super easy to get. Some good things that I like about Cash App and the Cash Card is that I personally, like, I don't keep a lot of money on Cash App, but it's convenient. Let's say if like my friend is like, oh, I'm gonna Cash App you right now, and so with Cash App, like, you can directly deposit it directly into your bank account, or you can put it on your Cash Card, which is your Visa debit. But let's say you're out and you don't have your wallet, and like you're like, I don't have my wallet, oh my goodness, but I have my Cash Card. So something that I always find myself doing is I keep this Cash Card in the back of my phone because it's my insurance policy. So with Cash App, my debit cards are set up there, and so if I accidentally forget my wallet and I'm out and I need to purchase something, I'll just put however much money on to my Cash Card, and that way I'll be able to purchase it, and it loads automatically on your Cash Card, which I love. And I know you guys are probably like, why do I even need this if I have a debit card? It's just so convenient to me too. Something else, another good resource that I love using this for too as well, is when people Cash App me, I try to not spend that money or directly deposit it into my bank account. I try to just leave it on Cash App, because guys, I've been in so many situations, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you can attest to this, where let's say it's a rainy day or something, and you're short on funds or something like that, and then you remember like, oh, I've been saving this money on Cash App. Like, I love using this card and this account in Cash App for that too. Other things that I would say is like really good about this too as well is that, like I said, it doesn't have my name on the front of the card, which I appreciate. It does have it on the back of the card though. I love like the design of this card, like the all black. It is chipped, so that's really cool too. And really in reality, like when it comes to bad things, I mean, you get what you sign up for. So you're not signing up for like some fantastic thing that's gonna give you like all of these like perks and stuff. They do have different businesses that, like Uber, you get discounts and stuff like that, but it's just a very like, you get what you sign up for. And I love using this Cash App Cash Card, and this is just a Visa debit like I said before.